Hi, and welcome back to the Iteration Station. In the previous two videos, I've been talking about the Jupiter I/O board and what it's capable of doing. Well, today, where the rubber's going to hit the road, we're going to actually put our first switch in and automate a component on the RV. And so follow me in here, and I'll tell you what we're going to do. As I showed you before, we've got our touchscreen here, and the touchscreen has our lab GUI on it. This will not be the RV GUI that we'll create for people. We created this, but it's mainly for lab work. But it will work for the purposes of showing this demonstration. It's pretty nice, but it's got lots of buttons and numbers in here and stuff, but we're only going to be using this top button today. The very top button is what we're going to use to actuate our switch. Now what this does is the computer is going to, when I actuate the switch, it will tell the switch to operate with an RF signal. When the RF signal hits that switch, it's going to turn the box on to create power. And then when I hit it again, I can turn it off. And if you swing around there, I can show you how it's working. I'm hitting the switch, turn it on and off. If you come back here, you can see that the switch on the board also lights up. Every time I hit the switch, it lights up and turns off. So you can monitor it at both places. Now the beauty of the Jupiter I/O board and the computer together is that the Jupiter I/O board's giving us the signals to make this thing actually operate. But what happens is I've got computer control like a home automation then at that point with the data acquisition. So I can tell it I want to have it turn on for 15 minutes or 5 minutes or 2 hours. So I can actually have it pre-programmed just like you do your phone or whatever, where if I'm camping and I want to get up at 6, I have it turn on at 5:30. The water's warm when I get up. I give myself some time to get a shower and get my breakfast made, and then it turns off. So we're not using any extra energy. The whole point of what we're doing here is we're going to try to make this a boondock type machine where I can go out in the middle of nowhere, have no power, and use my power the very most efficient way possible. We need to save every watt we can, and something like a water heater is using somewhere between 500 and 1,000 watts. I can also automate a coffee pot. Basically we can automate anything. My point is, with this Jupiter I/O board, anything you can dream up, it's open source. You can write your own code and do anything you want to do, or we can write a code for you to make sure that it'll do any operation you want to do. Just dream something up and we'll make it happen.